Hey paper lovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Hipkitclub. It's Josephine here with another process video for Cutfile Tuesday, and in this video I use the negative space and the cut file for this layout. I want to make a rainbow colored page, and I selected some shimmer paint, creamies in English creams from previous color kits from the Hipkitclub, and here I choose for the Plum Crazy, the Purple Peony and the Dandelion, and I spray a little bit of water in the creamies and I mix it and apply a little bit on a piece of plastic. Then I use a kitchen sponge or a cleaning sponge and pick up a little bit of the ink, and I stamp several times with the sponge and the ink on my background. I dry it a little bit with the heat too, and then the leftover of the ink I use a kitchen towel for the leftovers of my ink on this page, and I do this until I'm totally happy with my mixed media background. And when I'm done with the Plume Crazy and the Purple Peony, I use some Dandelion for to give my mixed media background a little bit more of extra color. So my mixed media background is ready, and I used the metal die circle set from the Hipkitclub, and I punched several circles out from the design papers from the January kit. And today is the challenge for today is use your butter punches. So I cut some strips from the design paper and using different kind of borders, I stitched them with some purple sewing thread. I also stitched the circles with some purple sewing thread, and I placed my borders behind the negative space from my cut file, and it looks very great. I love the effect. And when I'm done with the strokes, border punches strokes, I turn my page around, and I decorate my page further with the cut file and of course the die cuts, the photo and the circles. Here I start blending the cut file. The title of the cut file is Dream Without Fear, Love Without Limits, and I use the Be Mine and the limoncello from the Katarina Pooler ink collection. And these ink pads are from a previous Hipkitclub color kit, and I love to blend these inks together, and it looks very great. And I think these colors of ink fits perfect with the backgrounds, and the yellow and orange paper strokes behind the negative cut file. So here I use some adhesive tape to stick my to hold everything in place. Then I put my cut file on top of the negative space, and here I use some 3D foam, and I put the circles on top of each other. And the reason that I use 3D foam is you can easily make some clusters around the photo and the circles. So here I already selected some die cuts that I want to use for decoration of the scrapbook layout, and I try to make clusters around my photo. Here I use the purple alpha sets from the January hip kits and for my title, and the title for this layout is "You Are My Rainbow." And after the video I decided to stitch a circle through my title and around the circle of circles around the photo and the circles on my layout. So I think it's a great extra thing what I did with my sewing machine. So here I apply a butterfly, and I distress the edges of some die cuts, and I made my cluster around the photo. And at the end I made some white vestige splatters on my layout, and I used gesso and water and mixed it with each other, and I splashed around with the white gesso on my page and on my photo. And here I mix the ink with each other and made splatters as well. So I hope I give you some great ideas for Cut File Tuesday. And don't forget to check the Facebook group and the blog for more beautiful inspiration. And I want to thank you for watching the video. And I hope to see you next time on YouTube with another process video for Hipkitclub. For now, wish you a lovely and crafty day, friends. Bye bye.